Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In this playlist currently we are exploring object oriented programming. So let's continue the exploration of OOPS. For that let's move to our destination folder. So this is our destination folder as you can see. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So as you can see the folder is open, and now let's open today's file, which is day 44 and title is static variable. It is also called as class variable. Before starting this explanation, I want to give a small task. If you have watched video number 40 where I demonstrated ATM machine project, so in that project I want to add a serial number to every customer. Let's take an example. Suppose user 1 is created using object u1, so his serial number will be 1. User 2 has created using object u2, so his serial number will be 2. User number 3 has created using object u3, so his user number or serial number will be 3, and so on. So just pause this video and think how can you do that. So let's explore today's video where I will be teaching you how we can do the same thing using the concept of static variables. So what are the static variables? Static variables comes in picture when every object requires a shared value. So let's take an example of the task that I have given to you. In this ATM machine serial number feature, the serial number was common to everyone, only it was incrementing for every user. In this task, the serial number or the name that you have given to that variable is common for all objects. So we can create this variable only once and increment that variable multiple times. So that's all the simple logic. I will explain you this logic in detail when we code for the logic. So let's explore ahead. In next section I have added some examples so that you can understand the concept clearly. So first example is of IFSC code of bank branch will same for all customer. PIN balance will be different for each customer, so they can be stored in instance variable, and IFSC code will be stored in static variable, which is same for all customers as you can see. So let's take another example which is of students. Degree name will be same for every student in particular college, but CGPA and name of the student will be different. So CGPA and name of the student will be stored in instance variable, and degree name will be stored in static variable. So this is an example where I have kept the same class name ATM. This is a static variable and it is declared outside all methods of class as you can see. And this is a constructor, so inside constructor I have simply printed in constructor. These are the normal variable declaration where I initially declare them blank. After that, this is the increment of that static variable, so that whenever a new constructor or a new object is created, a serial number will be assigned to that object, and after that the count of that serial number will be increased by 1. And also remember, the serial number is called using class name dot the variable name. After that, this is add details function. So when user will click on this add details, his detail will be get stored in above variables as you can see. User pin will get stored in self.pin, username is to get stored in self.name, user balance will get stored in self.balance, and this is simply display details function which will simply display all the details. So I have simply created two users this time to demonstrate the serial number to you. After that, I have simply added basic information such as name, pin number and initial amount in both the objects or users as you can see, and simply I have used display details function to print the information. So let's run the code to check the output and to verify whether serial number logic works or not. So as you can see, 2 times this constructor get called because the 2 objects are created first. After that, the answer is printed as serial number 1, ABC pin is this, which is 1234, and balance is 4500. In similar way, serial number 2, which is correct, XYZ pin is 4321 and balance is 2500. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with family and friends. Also, if you face any queries or have doubts in this code or any video in this playlist, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. And the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.